like life's no piece of cake. If someone salty got you down, there's sugar in the air, just look around.
Happy birthday, Harley! We love you!
Hi, Harley! Happy birthday! We love you! Yay! Happy birthday!
Life is sweet, sweeter than you think. Gonna live the dream like a candy queen, like a candy queen. This world's got more than you could.
Lumaki kang maganda at napakabait. Happy birthday!
Like a kid in a candy store.
Happy birthday, Harriet! I love you. I wish na mag-grow up ikaw na ganda.
Taking my puff up and down the street. Come here, Bobo. Even my Bobo gets a treat. Why is my dog so cute?
Harley, happy birthday! At sana'y malayo ka sa lahat ng kapahamakan. Lumaking maganda, matalino. Alam ko matalino. Happy birthday!
Sweeter than you think. Gonna live the dream like a candy queen, like a candy queen. This world's got more than you could ever.
Lalaki siyang magandang prinsesa. Happy birthday, Harley!
Candy store. Like a kid in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy. Like a kid in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy.
Hello po! Salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa araw na to. Mag-enjoy lang po tayo. Let's celebrate. Masaya po kami sa inyong pagdating at nakasama namin kayo sa celebration ng 4th birthday ni Harley.
Marshmallow pillow and take another bite out of life tomorrow. See ya tomorrow. Like a kid in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy.
Happy birthday, Harley! We love you so much.
Love you so much. Like a kid in a candy.
Si Harley, napakabait, masigla, very enthusiastic sa lahat ng things, and punong-puno ng empathy.
Si Harley very thoughtful and very caring, and she's also very wise and smart, and very compassionate. She really has a kindest soul.
Happy birthday sa iyo. Yung lolo naririto, nagmamahal. Hindi nakakalimot kahit nasa malayo pa, ay parang lagi kitang kasama, katabi.
I wish her to grow up, and I can't wait to see her grow into this amazing, beautiful woman. And I know that she will affect with her beautiful soul how she affects the people around her.
Ang pangarap ko sa kanya is para maging isang mabuting tao na may respeto at pagmamahal sa pamilya, lalo sa amin, sa lahat ng kapwa.
Napuno ang kaligayahan sa amin, sa pamilya, dahil nandito ka sa karawan mo. Happy birthday!
Mahal na mahal na.
Mahal ka namin!
Happy birthday, Harley! Huwag mo kalimutan na love ka na ang mommy and daddy. And we wish na mag-grow ka na a beautiful girl inside and out.